here we are, rain or shine, obviously, is just about to rain. We're going to show this property to a client, but I just wanted to show you a little bit. Look at this door. My gosh, this door is awesome. We will see a house that has got ocean view on the terrace and it's got several levels. It's beautiful. Let's go see it. Well, the client was very happy. Hopefully, this house is gonna be gone. But remember, you can contact me if you need something kind of like this. Take care. Bye.